with nothing left to give. With nothing left to give.
It's just all the needs supposed to get. Miss me with that roaches shit, you get what you supposed to get. From the dick, direct, no quality, just high tech. Vibing on the set, this the livest line yet. Don't fret, no hoteps, cold sweats. Any white tonight's refreshments. Rewriting my lessons, cipher glitching. Esoteric chess move commencing. For the chicken, no weak religion. Reading Higgins, second now, analytics. Cancel critics, stand no business. Bonafide builder, crop dealer, Godzilla, fight pillars, survival of the illest. Pride of my village, sunny side gon' feel it. Riot pillage, I buy you the spillage. Violent grimace, flyers on the premise, yeah I did this. Debonair, sit on the square with my pen clear. Sit severe, in there clear, savoir faire. Pop a bear, where they shot the stare. Move without a care, yeah I got this hair. Corporal study, kinetic, dust static embedded in the record, they a record. Armageddon hectic, stars shut out the crescent. God's blessing, angels wrestling, smack down. Floody got the crack now. Back aloud, back you down, black back. Hard to rap around you, jughead. I want my bread. Enough said, convey how you play it. Nigga arcade, courageous, made it to them pages. Affidavits. That's outrageous, found out in Vegas, sounded safest. Knowing now clowns are shape shit. Bitch thinking same shit. Face it, we off to the races, God embrace it. Like the ancients, able and cane shit. Niggas brain sick, I'm a super saiyan crane kick. Fuck